Oh, here we go, the Cooking with Jack show. This should be interesting. We're in for a culinary delight. Well, as long as you're ready for raw meat, raw chicken, and unwashed hands, complaining about bell peppers, I guess we're ready for Cooking with Jack.
Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Hope you're having a good new year. Hope it's been a powerful start. Hope you're meeting all your goals that you planned for this year. If not, go, go, go.
That's the thing about Cooking with Jack. He's extremely positive and he tries to be uplifting, but he just can't seem to pull it through when it comes to the culinary art of cooking chicken.
Right? So recipes are interesting. So a recipe can be like a secret, but if you
The only secret is why hasn't Jack died of salmonella?
print a recipe, most of you don't know this. If you print a recipe or you publish it to where the public can see it, it becomes immediately public domain. Look it up.
Jack, you're literally complaining about the exact same thing that you're doing. You're cooking something for people to find online so they can cook it. Jack, please take a chill pill. We don't need angry Jack in the kitchen today.
Go, oh, that's not your recipe. None of them are my recipes. Sometimes I create things myself, but I try different recipes, and if they're good, I put it down below. If it's bad, I don't bother. I don't even print it down below.
Well, I guess we're not gonna find this one down below, are we, Jack? Ha 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 ha!
The pictures look good. I hope to recreate that recipe and share it with you and tell you that it's a success. Whoever invented the recipe, I have no idea. Probably the person I'm reading it from didn't invent that recipe. They're recreating it. So I just wanted you to understand the laws regarding recipes.
I'm glad I had Jack here today, as I thought I had broken the law by searching out how to cook a stew the other day, but apparently the cops aren't coming for me, so I'm gonna be okay. Honey, put the stew back in the fridge, they're not coming! Finally, Jack's about to start cooking. Let's go.
Let's get started. Here we got our wings. We got 4 in this packet, 4 in this package, 4 in this package, all right?
Okay, we have
First thing you're
4.
gonna do is don't do anything with this yet. Go over to the oven, preheat to 400 degrees, okay? Come back here. You're gonna open up the wings. Let me show you.
Jack, use your...
Now, a turkey
Just
wing
go
has
ahead and
3
pull it
sides.
out, Jack. Don't worry about cross-contamination or anything. Yeah, move that over there. That's just
section right
fine,
there,
Jack.
Which is kind of like the wing part. Then it's got a drumette, and then it's got kind of like a double bone midsection. So there's 1, 2, 3. You separate all 3 of these parts. Get them all separated and meet me right back here. We're gonna season them, so I put them in a big
Jack, now I'm a dog lover, but is there a dog running around in the back? That's a big bowl, Jack.
Right there. You got another part right there. And you got another part right there. Now that I touched the turkeys, I've got to go wash my hands. I'll be right back. Let's start seasoning. So I'm literally throwing...
The over-under on Jack washing his hands is like 0%. Now look at the amount of seasoning Jack adds. It's usually way too much, and it's usually way
A little salt.
too much.
A little more salt. Some garlic.
Jack, the amount of garlic you just added would keep vampires away for about 500 years.
You can over garlic and it'll still taste good.
Jack, you can't over garlic and say it can still taste good just because you don't know how much to add. And please don't. Oh, please just wait. Whoa, be easy on it. Easy. You know this isn't going to be good when Jack reaches for a jar and starts unscrewing the top.
Little onion powder.
Jack, that was literally the whole bottle of onion powder. I don't know who you're kidding.
There's some poultry seasoning, and I know the seal's still on it, because I just bought it. Okay. A little poultry seasoning.
This is the biggest problem with Jack. He just dumps and runs. He doesn't give you measurements of any kind. He just dumps and runs. Jack, toss that with your one good hand.
First thing we do is
toss
spray
it
this
real
pan.
good. Real good.
With some olive oil. Next thing we're gonna do,
At this point in
Next
the
thing
recipe,
we're gonna
we
do
should
is
have
not
some
even tell you
idea
what
what he's
vegetable
trying
we're gonna
to do
use.
or create.
We're just
Right
gonna
now,
dump it
he's
in,
just
turn
throwing
on,
a
cook,
bunch of
and that's all that
seasonings
happens.
all over a bunch
not
of
putting
meat,
bell
and he's
peppers in my
literally not
recipe.
washed his vegetables, and he's about to put them on top,
you guys
I
can, or
guess.
if you like other vegetables, you can.
Yes, those are
Mushrooms.
unwashed mushrooms,
And
my
doing-
family. Those are unwashed
And I'm
mushrooms
doing
indeed.
celery. There's supposed to be bell peppers in here too, but I mean, I eat bell peppers all the time, so I'm okay if I skip the bell peppers.
Jack, you seem really upset about the bell pepper situation in your life.
All right, so let's show you what we're gonna do now. All right, there's your vegetables. You're gonna take your chicken. I keep wanting to say chicken. Take your turkey and put it skin side down. They both have skin, but put the heavier skin down.
At this point in cooking
Okay.
with Jack,
You're
he's
doing
just
this
telling you to place your thick skin down or your thick skin up.
Thick skin.
I didn't know Jack was extremely Jewish until this moment.
Coat as much as you can. Now, go get your foil. Cover this tightly with foil, and then we're gonna cook it for 1 hour. Okay.
1 hour, Jack? Really? 1 hour? Are we gonna get up to the cooking internal temperature of 180 degrees? I highly doubt it, Jack, but let's find out.
Okay, guys, this is what it looks like covered in foil. Let's get it in the oven for 1 hour. This goes on this. We pop it back in the oven to finish cooking. Like it's not done already, right? It's been in there 14,000 times, but
That's
Ironically,
called
it's the same
salmonella,
close.
Jack.
okay. So I'm just doing it with a ladle. Get it over here and just pour this on top. Once I get most of the gravy out, I'll just pour it by hand, the last bit of it.
Jack, this turkey looks jacked. Raw. Jack, please don't digest this. Jack, what are you pouring on the top of this defenseless turkey at this point? I mean, can't we just give in and give it a full burial? Are you going to put it back in the oven again and try to cook it? I mean, really, what are
Back
you
in the
doing?
oven for
Oh, it's
20
covered
minutes.
again. Let's go,
Still
boys.
400. Finish cooking, and we're done. We're sitting down and eating. Throw that back in.
Jack, what did you just throw back in the pot? I mean, seriously, what was that? A fingernail, a finger, or a piece of turkey?
It smells so good, guys. Wow. Oh, this smells amazing. I might make this next Thanksgiving.
Jack,
There's so
why
much-
wait till
such a smell in the
Thanksgiving
air
when
right
we
now.
have the moment to
So let's
share
give this a try. The
together?
gravy looks
Why don't you
beautiful.
just dig in and have a
Mushroom looks
bite?
beautiful, huh?
Jack, even your face tells me you don't like it. You can tell it's raw, tasteless, and disgusting, and the gelatinous jelly you poured on top is not good.
So creamy.
That's not cream, Jack. That's salmonella. Jack, are you still really upset you didn't put bell peppers in this dish? Well, that's cooking with Jack. You never know what you're gonna get. A coronary explosion of the mind, but usually it's unclean, unkept, and unsanitized.